You know, I see too many people are afraid of no's, but you need those no to get you closer to those yeses. You need those no to help your immune system, to help you acquire thick skin, to know exactly what you're made of, because you have the stamina to continue. You have the stamina to complete and finish this major goal of yours. But every now and then, we let lazy people slow us down. But if you believe in yourself, you will know you should never give up. I believe in you. Let's do it.
Hosanna, Hallelujah, Hosanna, Hosanna Limango, Hallelujah, Hosanna, Hosanna Limango, Hallelujah, Hosanna, Hosanna Maombi, Hallelujah, Hosanna, Hosanna.